I know they hold the location of the shattered fragments of the lost crystal.
Why do you think your fellow ancients hid the fragments in the first place? So slimy snakes like you couldn't find them and abuse their power.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
Fighting for my life with the fate of the world in the balance, so...
You called me.
Amy! I gotta get Tails and the gang. Oh, Lyric, you are so gonna get the big beat down.
Hey, he's coming around. Should we knock him out again?
No, Knuckles, we need to talk to him.
What's going on?
That's what we want to know. Why'd you attack us? Where's Amy?
Back off!
You're more annoying than usual. None of this is making sense. Last thing I remember, I was talking to... anyone.
Lyric! I knew this stinker was in cahoots with the rotten reptile.
I don't work for Lyric. What is this?
A mind control device.
Methods! You cost me a valuable asset when you damaged my device.
Lyric, where's Amy, you spineless freak?
Safe. For the moment. We're having the most delightful conversation.
Why don't you come here and face me?
I'm far too busy.
I said I'd find you.